Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review of the TackSpace Manual Rocking Recliner Chair. TackSpace provided a complimentary sample of this chair for my unbiased review, and this one has slightly different features than their electric-powered lift recliner that I reviewed previously, which you can check out in the info bubble above. The chair comes shipped in two large boxes, weighing about 64 pounds and 60 pounds respectively. Each box contains different components of the chair, and some assembly is required. The best method I found for removing the contents of each box is to turn them on their sides first, before sliding the pieces out. Box A is heavier and contains the base of the chair, made with a heavy-duty alloy steel frame that feels well made and durable. Be careful when handling this piece, as the rocking components on the bottom may slide and swing, and you don't want to get your hand caught between moving parts. Each of the chair's 4 feet come with plastic guards pre-installed to prevent scratches and damage to your flooring. You'll also need to cut out and remove any plastic zip ties underneath that hold the moving parts in place during shipping. In Box B, you'll find the seat back and 2 chair arms. The right chair arm has the release lever for the spring-activated footrest, and a wire cable extends from the back corner of it. The left chair arm only has plain leather on the side. You may receive instruction manuals in one or both boxes. If you do receive 2, they're identical. Before you begin assembly, remove the bracket covers on the front metal brackets on either side of the chair. They are these plastic T-shaped caps. If they aren't there, check the shipping box, as they may have fallen off during transportation. I'm going to start assembly on the right-hand side by attaching the armrest with the release mechanism. It has this black plastic clip on a metal cable with a Z-shaped catch at the end of it. Check to make sure when you pull the release lever, the cable retracts. If when you pull on the lever you feel no resistance and the cable doesn't move, check inside the release handle to ensure the metal peg at the end of the cable is installed in the hole on the inside of the handle. You'll want to lay the arm leather side down next to the right side of the chair base. Next, identify attachment point 1, the small hole just above the smaller spring, and attachment point 2, a rectangular hole towards the back of the chair. Insert the Z-shaped catch into attachment point 1. Make sure that the metal cable doesn't slide between the hinge and the frame. It should be above the hinge. At attachment point 2, insert the black plastic tab on the cable and press it in until the catch locks into place. It should feel snug and not fall out when you pull on it. Again, verify the wire is not caught in the hinge before continuing. To attach the arm to the chair, line up the 2 metal brackets on the inside of the arm with the 2 metal catches on the side of the chair's seat. Slide the brackets down over the catches and press down firmly until they both latch into place. Here's what that looks like from the back. Then we'll attach the left arm in the same manner. Ensure the brackets are fully seated on the posts. To attach the seat back, carefully slide the 2 metal brackets at the sides of the chair back onto the exposed posts at the back of the chair base. Make sure to press down firmly so that the metal clip on the brackets snap into the notches on the sides. At the bottom of the lower skirt of the chair, you'll notice a black plastic edge, and along the back is a groove, so you can attach this piece to the bottom of the metal back plate. Once in place, you can close the back flap by pressing the hook and loop strips together. The last step is to reinstall the bracket caps that we removed at the beginning between the seat cushion and the arms. Carefully pull back the side of the seat cushion to expose the bracket, then push the plastic cap onto it until it's secure. Do the same on the other side. When fully assembled, the chair measures 39 inches from front to back, 41 inches tall, and 35 inches wide. The seat itself is 19 inches wide by 21 inches deep, and the seat back is 29 inches tall and 28 inches wide. The material used on this chair is a mix of soft, breathable upholstery fabric and realistic faux leather side panels and accent piping. The stitching is straight and even, with a thick gauge thread resistant to breaking. The leather has a natural grain and glossy finish that is easy to clean and care for. These fabrics feel upscale, are wear-resistant, and filled with high-density sponge polyester that is cushioning but supportive and comfortable to sit in, so you don't sink in too deeply nor feel like it's overly firm. When seated in the chair, you can rock forward and back about 30 degrees, and if you'd like to recline, simply pull the release handle and the footrest will immediately spring outward. Note that with the footrest extended, the rocking feature cannot be used. You can also adjust the seat back angle between 110 and 160 degrees by firmly leaning back in the chair and applying slight pressure with your shoulders against the chair back. Once you achieve a comfortable angle, your body weight should be sufficient to keep the chair back in position, without you having to continuously apply weight against the chair back. When fully reclined, there will be a slight bend at your waist, and the overall chair length is 66 inches, so you'll need to set the chair back at least 3 feet away from walls or other objects behind it. When you're ready to get up, simply lean forward at the waist, and the chair back will return to the upright position on its own. Then apply downward pressure with your legs to close the footrest. The chair feels very well balanced and is secure and steady when reclined or when seated and rocking, so you won't feel like you're about to tip over. This chair has a maximum weight limit of 330 pounds and is suitable for both tall and short individuals. Overall, the chair was easy to assemble on my own, and the rocking and reclining features are fun and simple to use. The back and arms can even be easily removed for storage or moving. It's a great individual lounger for relaxing, watching TV, or taking a nap in. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.